In OnePage CRM, all tasks and follow-up reminders have priorities and are linked to contacts. Open a contact, type what you need to do for them, and choose whether you need to do it ASAP, today, or sometime in the future. And the reminder will be added instantly. On the contact page, your next action is always in the spotlight, highlighted in blue. Once you complete it, the blue area moves down to the next priority. If there are no further actions for a contact, the blue area doesn't disappear. Instead, OnePageCRM prompts you to set a new action so that this contact is never left behind. If you type a date and time, OnePageCRM will recognize them and set them up for you. And if you don't have a date yet, just queue this task for later. All contacts are automatically assigned to you, but if your plate is full, you can assign them to other users, or delegate them later by dragging and dropping them on the contact page. If you have a repeatable process, you can create action templates. There, you can group different tasks and add them to contacts in bulk. Once you set a task, the contact will be added to your action stream. And by the way, if you want to see what some of those buttons and features do in OnePageCRM, enable the video tooltips. They're a quick and easy way to learn more and get you started.